What's up guys, it's FHTTDS. Today we're just unboxing this Hot Wheels, but I've already made the video. So I've already made the video. So after this I've already uploaded. So there's one car missing. So it is inside my car, so sorry, but I've already saved to the video. I'm just unboxing these two little cars, EXOTIQUE and also McLAREN 720'S. Oh my gosh, this is the beast. Okay, number one, we have to open this EXOTIQUE first because this is the number 10 out of 10 EXOTIQUEs. So his name is EXOTIQUE. Okay, I think, let's just open it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, the feels. Oh my god. He's like the new EXOTIQUE and his ex. Yeah, it's like the new EXOTIQUE. So I think, wait a second, okay guys. Okay, so this is the new car. It's EXOTIQUE. So I think it's very, very beautiful. Oh my god, did you see it? Okay, for now, the most humongous McLAREN 720'S. Let's do it. Whoa! Same spot as before. Oh my gosh! The new McLAREN. This is very, very beautiful. McLAREN 720'S. It is very beautiful. Did you see that? The fastest acceleration car. It is these two freaking cars. Did you see that? Very, very beautiful, like a kana. And then at the back, it looks like ayah and kana. Okay, so now this is the McLAREN 720'S. So right now I have 3 McLARENs. P1, the F1 GDR 720'S. I just found this in the store. In the store, guys. In the store, man. In the store. That's gonna be very, very crazy. Okay, so I just found this. Okay, so this is the Aston Martin Vantage GT3. Okay, so yep, this one I've already made it. So this one should be the Shelby the Ford Shelby GT350R. So that's going to be very, very humongous. And the next second car, it is this humongous little car. It is the Ford Mustang. Okay, so this one is the long time ago Ford Shelby. Did you see that? Did you see that? Okay, so you see, it's very beautiful. This thing. Okay, so now to Legend of EXOTIQUE. This one is factory fresh, made from fresh factory. Okay, so yep, I'm just gonna show you these all cars. Number one, it is this. Number one, it is this EXOTIQUE. Okay. Okay, did you see that? Okay, that's all for the next car. McLAREN 720'S. Okay, the back, the front, and then the P2P. This is very, very pro. With Shelby GT350R. And the third car, it is this car, the 1962, I think, Ford Shelby. Okay, for the last fitting car, it is this Aston Martin with a vintage DT3. So don't forget to subscribe to this little boy. It is apa namanya ini? SHT Pro. Okay, so I should say bye guys. Watch my video. I will not be subscribed. Don't forget to leave like and also comment below and hi. And FHTTDS, please. Goodbye guys. See you to the next video. Bye.